Okay, so you've determined it's time to replace your crucible screens. I'm going to show you. It's pretty quick and easy, nothing too complicated. You'll need your tweezers, of course, for the screens. And I like using from the hex key set from your toolkit, the number 6 and the number 4.5 hex keys. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So we have those two guys. But most importantly, your Crucible Screen Insertion tool. Okay, like I said, we're going to use these two hex keys. We'll start off with the lid. And it's pretty dirty, as you can tell. It's getting my gloves dirty. And it's damaged, or it's got contaminant stuck to it. Take the 4.5 and center it up in the middle, and it should just punch right out. And there's the whole screen. You can tell it was really dirty. So there's a groove inside the lid. You can see there where the screen sits. So we'll turn the lid back over. And 1 screen for the lid, 2 for the body. Keep that in mind. And I just press it in to get it started with my finger. And then you take your insert tool. Okay, so it's pressed in. You can see it's sitting down inside that groove. And you can just make sure that it's seated flat. Okay, so now we're going to do the body. And you can see it's pretty dirty. I'm not sure if you can see down inside there, but take the 4.5 again, and we'll punch out the screen from the bottom. And it pops out, and you can tell how dirty that was. Okay, and like before with the lid, there is a groove that the screens pop down into. So you take your body, set it right side up. So grab you 2 screens. Sometimes you'll get lucky and get 2 at once. Oh, there we go. Drop those down. Make sure they're horizontal inside the crucible. And then I'll take the 6mm and just kind of gently press them in to get them started. I don't know if you could hear that, but they sunk down in, not quite to the groove yet. So you can see that they're started, but they're not all the way inside that groove. So that's what you need the insertion tool for, because it fills up the whole space inside and evenly pops them in so you don't get creases or wrinkles or ruin your screen. And then you'll just pop that guy down. Then now you can see the screen is all the way at the bottom inside the groove. And you can also tell on the side of the tool here. It's gone all the way up as far as it'll go. And that's really all there is to it. So I wore gloves to do this, just to keep the crucibles from being contaminated. But it's a good idea to go ahead and solvent flush them, just because these screens do probably have some cutting oil from the machine shop where they were manufactured. And it just wouldn't hurt to go ahead and clean these guys up. before you start running them again. Alright, thanks for watching.